Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll find the maximum and minimum values of this exponential function. So the given function is y equals 3x times e to the power negative x plus x. Now in order to find the maximum and minimum values, we need to find the derivative of this function and set the derivative equal to 0 and then solve for x at which the tangent is horizontal, because the tangent is horizontal at the peaks and valleys in the graph of the function. So let's start by finding the derivative of this function. Now in the first term, 3 is the coefficient of the term. So in the derivative, 3 will stay as it is. So we can keep it outside. Now x is a polynomial function and e to the power negative x is an exponential term, and they are being multiplied. So we have to use the product rule to find the derivative. So as per the product rule, we'll start with the derivative of the first function, and the derivative of x is 1 times the second function plus the first function times the derivative of the second function, and the derivative of the exponential function with the base e is the exponential term itself times the derivative of the exponent, and the exponent is negative x, so its derivative is negative 1, plus the derivative of x, and the derivative of x is just 1. So this is the expression for the derivative of this function. Now we can simplify this expression. So in the first part, we can multiply 1 by e to the power negative x, which gives us just e to the power negative x. And in the second part, we can multiply negative 1 by x times e to the power negative x, which will make the whole term negative. Now we can factor out e to the power negative x from the parentheses. Now we can set the derivative equal to 0 and solve for x. Now this equation is made up of two types of functions, the exponential function e to the power negative x and the polynomial function 1 minus x. Now we cannot solve this equation the regular way because of this 1 that's being added to this function. Now this equation will be equal to 0 if the value of this term is equal to negative 1, because negative 1 plus 1 will become equal to 0. Now this term value will never become equal to negative 1, because the e term will always have a positive value, and 1 minus x will never have a value that will make this whole term equal to negative 1, because we'll have to multiply 3 by the e to the power negative x times the value of 1 minus x. So for example, if we sub in x as 2, so 1 minus x will become equal to negative 1. But then if we multiply it by the other part, the result will not be equal to negative 1. So as a result, there is no x value at which y prime is equal to 0. So this function has no critical points at which the derivative is equal to 0. So there are no maximum and minimum points. So that means this function has no maximum and minimum values. So there is a very important concept you need to understand and memorize for this type of function. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.